FEs were put in. That's what FE stands for, is Ford Edsel.
Oh, okay.
So,
Yeah.
yeah.
410.
Yeah, yeah, so there was a 410 Mel and there was a 410 FE, so it's funny that they both got it.
Big old boat. Apparently it's a Buick. Cool artwork. Like the pinstriping. That is a Woody, yes. It's a Plymouth Woody.
I thought.
You want to do a family photo? Please.
That's cool. Ocean City, Maryland, parking permit.
It's pretty.
It
Ocean
is.
City, Maryland. Parking permit. Cool.
That's cool.
It's pretty.
Like all the wood in it. You've got pinstriping on the back here and everything.
Longboard.
Rick would like this. Reminds me of the old Morris Miners in England.
I didn't know I had a seat.
Yeah, like a rear facing seat.
Wasn't that what Rick had?
His was more similar to the white one, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah.
I don't know what Rick had. I know it was an American car, but still learning. That's a pretty truck. I like the molding and the fenders on this thing. Looks cool.
Yeah, tires are cool. What do they call that, a rat rod?
Yeah. It's not really a rat rod, it's more like it just wasn't restored again.
Just ready?
Well, just old. It's just got like, it's patinaed. There you go. That's the word. It's got a patinaed look.
Okay.
That coupe's cool. It's got an Oldsmobile engine in it.
So what, so these guys didn't enter it or what?
No, these are things that just people that came.
So my dad got the guy I wanted to ride with. So I just like, come, like, you go, I'm waiting, you go.
I like that. Yeah, I like the style.
I just took a picture
Oh,
of
the
that.
coupe's nice though.
Since he does that all day and he's been racing his whole life, he's just sitting there just a day at the office for him. I know, I'm like, man, that must be great having that job. He just keeps the tires off and get paid to do it.
And my friend Foster would like this. This is similar to his.
There's a bunch of these in this row. 100.
That's pretty cool. Hey, look at that. It's a Ford F100 panel wagon. I guess that's what they call it. I get it's either a delivery van or a panel wagon, but
So the guy next to it is a Ford F-100, but the other, so he doesn't have the cap or whatever.
yeah,
This looks a lot bigger.
it does, doesn't it? Plum yellow. Dad's garage. If it's broke, call Dad. Nice.
That's cute. Look, it's got a bullet hole in the back.
It's got a bullet hole, a few dings and
I'm
dents.
thinking of some moonshine.
I like the cloth seat. Like a Mexican blanket kind of thing. That's cool. Looks very similar to Josh's truck. Old International. You know who would like that? Frank. He liked Internationals. Oh, this one's called Christie Sunday Driver. I wonder if this was up in the...
Oh, that's the way she... Oh, yeah. That little store we saw?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
There's a Christie's ice cream place. I wonder if that's the same one.
It's got a flyer on the...
I guess that's a fuel tank, not the keg. Oh, make your own Sundays, $5. There you go. They left the lights on?
Is that?
Yes. I guess they do events with it because it's got ice cream in the back. To that museum.
Well, who knows how long it would take to... Beautiful day. Beautiful day. I love the color on this car.
Watch her from across the track.